Today I'm going to show you how we replaced an entire content team for the Optimism Show and how we publish hundreds of posts weekly on autopilot, and how you can organize, repurpose, and publish your content across social media to grow your user base, get traders talking, or build brand authority. I'm going to show you how we repurpose podcast episodes, and it's also entirely possible to create content from existing white papers or team meeting notes, or just ideas that you have in your head. So what we're going to do is simply copy the transcript of the podcast episode that we're going to repurpose, and we are also going to paste the link to the raw video so the software can create clips for us for social media. I'm going to do here, create that as an idea. And over here, all we're going to do is queue it. After that, we go to this list of curated ideas, and all we are going to click is auto podcast to everything, which is going to create anywhere between 50 and 70 content pieces on brand. Now the automation is finished, and it has created all these different content types that are meant to be published on different platforms. It created 56 different content types, from carousels that can be published either on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, to tweets that are available, all of them, both in a doc over here that is fully editable in Google Docs and in a folder as well. Scripts for AI videos, LinkedIn posts, descriptions, titles for the long form podcast and video, different posts for LinkedIn with images, fully written and edited newsletter that can be sent to the email list, a different kind of announcement posts for Twitter and LinkedIn for the video, and all these short clips from the video with the key moments that are happening inside of the podcast episode. Now, what happens with these videos is eventually we can either automatically or manually continue editing them. So what we could do is we can either choose auto, add B-rolls plus captions, or we can manually edit the video and add B-rolls as well as captions. And with the scripts, what you can do is create AI avatar videos with your face and your voice, or a completely different mascot for your company that is going to be the spokesperson, and eventually create videos after the AI avatar video is generated, like with your voice and your face. What we can do over here is eventually what the software will do, it will generate a bunch of segments that are different parts of the videos, and we can choose which segments we'd like to add a B-roll to, and eventually animate it as well. That will generate the images over here that we can use, and we can pick the ones that we like. Or if this is getting automatically edited, the software will pick one for you. After you choose these images, they will be animated for B-rolls. All of them will have a different animation, such as this one. The next step, once you have chosen all these different B-rolls, is to choose where the captions are, bottom or center, and click video plus B-roll go. The same process for the clips that the software generated from the podcast episode. Output a video such as this one.
Exciting news here. Say hello to BlockSight, your new friend in seeing clearly on the internet. It helps you spot what's true and what's not. Jump in and explore. It's super easy. This isn't just any tool. It changes how we look at and check stuff online.
Afterwards, all of the files that are pretty much done will go in the Need Review tab, where either yourself or someone can review them and approve them for schedule. In the Ready tab, you will see the different content pieces and eventually can choose a date and a time when to schedule them, pick the platforms you'd like to go with. Go with Instagram. Just gonna go with Instagram for this one, and we are just going to publish the content. Same goes with this. Let's say this is the AI video that we made. We're going to schedule it for July 30th, 9 p.m. Platforms: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. This will use this specific social post and a title for the video, and we publish, after which it will be scheduled, and we can check it out over here on the Publish tab, all the content pieces that we have either scheduled or published. And in this tab here, you can check all the posts that are scheduled or published and can edit them directly over there if you'd like to make some last minute changes, as well as the analytics of how your accounts are growing, the different metrics. In a nutshell, that is the content system we use for the Optimism Show to create and publish hundreds of content pieces each week for different social platforms. Now, if you'd like to have this installed for your business, optimized for your voice, your target audience, and your brand, just click on the button somewhere on this screen and let's have a chat.